It's been a while since we've made this Thai chicken salad, but making it again for this video reminded us why we love it so much. This one slipped through the cracks, but you better believe it's now on my top 5 list. There's so much crunch in this salad thanks to cabbage. We have purple and green, but use whatever you have. I like seasoning it with a bit of salt right on my cutting board. Then there's also bell pepper and celery. We have 2 chicken breasts and I'm slicing them in half. This makes them bake more quickly. Rub both sides with toasted sesame oil and soy sauce. Then bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. For the dressing, I use mayo as the base, but plain Greek yogurt works great too if you want to lighten things up. Stir in Thai sweet chili sauce, fish sauce, rice wine vinegar, lime juice, and a few tablespoons of chopped red onion. When the chicken comes out of the oven, chop it up and add it, juices and all, right into the dressing. Let it hang out for a few minutes so it can soak up all that flavor. Now toss all those crunchy veggies into the bowl, add a handful of chopped cilantro, and my favorite part, lots of chopped peanuts. The crunch is the best. Finish with wonton strips if you have them, toss really well, and dig in.